Every action you take is a vote for the person you're becoming. In small votes, compound. Law 1, make it obvious. Design cues. Put the habit in your path. Shoes by the door, book on the pillow, water on the desk. Law 2, make it attractive. Pair it with something you enjoy. Habit stacking works. After coffee, I write 5 minutes. After shower, I stretch 2 minutes. Law 3, make it easy. Reduce friction. Start tiny, 2 minutes, not 60. Consistency first. Law 4, make it satisfying. Create an immediate reward. Track it. Mark a calendar. Small wins build identity. To break bad habits, invert the laws. Make it invisible, unattractive, hard, unsatisfying. Implementation plan. Pick one habit. Define cue, action, reward, design environment, track for 14 days. Closing. Systems beat goals. Subscribe, and we'll build the next system together.